What's going on, guys? Back to the channel. This is MoneyMarrowTech. Today on channel, we're checking out another speaker from DBsono. Right here is the DBX Blast. Now, we've been using the speaker for about a couple weeks now and stuff, and the speaker sounds amazing. Now, if you're in the market for a mid-range speaker and stuff, and you don't want to break the bank, then I'll leave the link down below for easy access, where I have a coupon where you can save additional money on this speaker. But this here will have an output of 60 watt, some RGB lights, an Auracast, and so much more. Let's go ahead and cover it right now in this review. Stay tuned. All right, guys, DBsono DBX Blast. Price of that boy is going to vary. Right now, it's going to be priced at $79. However, I have a coupon that I'll put here and in the description down below where you can save up additional money, about almost $20 off until the 15th of June. All right, definitely take advantage of that if you want to save some money. You can't go wrong with some coupons and additional savings. Okay, now this is a 60 watt output speaker that is Bluetooth 6.0 that support Auracast, that has 6 different modes, RGB lights, and IPX5 Water Resistant. Okay, let's go ahead and start from top here. You got your power button, the volume up and down button, pause and play. Your volume up and down button also double as the next track and previous track. You have your light indicator right here. We can switch to different modes. You got a total of 6. Then when done with it, you hold it down. It'll turn off all lights on top of the speaker and are on it. When turn it back on, just click it again, you turn it on. You have Auracast Support. This is big. Okay, you see that more. You see that a little bit more in a minute. Bluetooth button and extra bass for the extra wow factor. Okay, right here on the side here, you have your Type-C charging door. All right, and then you have a little carrying strap where you're able to carry what you want to go, whether you want to put it on a fence line or a backpack. You're good to go right there. Now we'll hop into audio and see how the bad boys sound. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and do a sound test of the DBsono DBX Blast. Now we got the volume already maxed out. We already got our favorite song to use for testing, and we're going to see how well this performs. Now my son will be leading the charge this time. He's going to be playing with the extra bass to see how well it actually performs. Son, take us away. Okay, not bad. Now let's go ahead and turn on extra bass and push play. Now, can you tell a difference in the power or the output?
It's like, it's for a 50 speaker, I feel like more power coming out of like the noise.
Mm-hmm. So you definitely hear more noise coming out of the speaker right now?
Yes.
Turn off extra bass again. Push play. Extra bass. Yeah, I would say definitely way more powerful bass if you turn it on, but it still sounds really, really good. Even if you don't use the extra bass is definitely going to be a booster if you need the extra, movement or extra motivation. But none of that, this 60 watt powerful speaker definitely will perform for its price range. All right, guys, another thing I want to talk about is the fact that this speaker here support Auracast. Now, typically when a speaker have Auracast, you're going to use it with its own brand. However, DBsono is doing it a little bit differently. Now, I already got music tuned up. You can hear right now, right? I got a volume. I'm gonna turn down a little bit so you can hear it. I got Auracast ready to pair up. I'm gonna grab my JBL Go 5 and I'm gonna turn on Auracast right now. And just like that, the JBL Go 5 is paired up to Auracast. But let's say you want to add more to it, right? Let's say your friend has a bigger speaker. Auracast on. Now that's on. Now you can Now, if you're out and about with your friends and you guys don't have the exact same speaker, let's say you have a DBsono speaker, one a JBL speaker, now you guys can join together to play more music to get more ground covered in real time. Now, battery life is decent. You're getting up to 8 hours at lower volumes and around 5 hours at 50% volume, and about 2.5 hours when you run it to the max volume with boost mode and RGB lights enabled. Recharge time is pretty quick. Around 2.5 hours will get you back to the game for full-time listening. All right, guys, there you go. That right there was the DBsono DBX Blast. Comment down below on how it sounds. If you guys hear the difference in the extra bass mode, do it sound amazing? For a 60-watt speaker that only costs $50, this speaker definitely performed and getting definitely scary close to the higher end speakers. Now, like I said, they're not really trying to creep for the higher end speakers, but they're making it more affordable for you guys to get that best quality and sound quality for a more affordable price. I will leave you in the description down below, guys. When you pick it up, I am MoneyMarrowTech. This is Baby Tech. See you guys next time.
Peace.
Peace.